a middle level crossing. Last week we had a different one. This is a different combination of steps, different song. This week's song is going to be Radioactive by Imagine Dragons. So let's just go right into it. So this crossing starts with 2 glissads. Now this crossing is a little bit faster, so if you need to re-watch this a few times before actually trying it with music, nothing to worry about. 2 glissades, keeping those knees bent. Glissade 1, glissade 2, and then 2 C-stones. Remember, a C-stone is a 2-foot to 1-foot jump. C-stone, C-stone. Then we do 2 open crossover turns. Open cross over, down, up, down, up. Step right. I'm going to twist my body to the right as I put my left hand down to tumble, stand on, up. Then we jump. First, second. Use your right foot. Chassé, step, leap. So let's try that again. So this combination starts with 2 glissades. Here we go. Staying low. Glissade 1, 2, C-stone, C-stone. Open cross over, down, up, down, up. Out, tumble, stand, up. First, second, chassé, step, leap. Let's go through that one more time. Here we go. And then we'll do it twice with music. Staying low with your glissades. Glissade, glissade. C-stone, C-stone. Turn. Open cross over, down, up, down, up. Out, tumble, stand, up, jump. First, second, chassé, step, leap. All right, let's try with music now. Here we go. Like I said, this is a little fast. Hang in there, you'll be fine. You got something